Hello, you guys. I hope you all are doing well. I've realized I have not done pick a pile or pick a card reading for quite some time. So, very quickly, this is a pick a card reading if you are in blocked energies with your partner. Same gender sex, opposite sex is just does not matter. Take what resonates, but you are in block or there's less communication or totally block communication. So we are going to check, this is from your partner's point of view, what's blocking this energy or what's blocking this connection between you and your partner, what they want to tell you which they are not able to, and what's the next action that they're going to take. So we have two piles here or two decks here. Okay, this is blue, it's got the Taj Mahal symbol on that, and this is red, which has got the ship symbol on this. So please pick intuitively. I'm going to quickly start with pile number 1. This is pile number 2. Okay, whichever you want, pick intuitively. We'll try to get maximum details, and also please read the description below for more information. All right, so let's start with pile number 1. Okay, so this is going to be from your partner, male, female, does not matter. What's blocking this connection, what they want to tell you, and what is their next action. So this, if you pick Taj Mahal, maybe blue color resonates with both of you. You like the color blue, or your person likes the color blue. Taj Mahal is also a symbol of love. It's a symbol of great love and potential. So let's check what's happening here. Okay, now this is the energy which is your energy, okay, which is what your partner thinks you are in that energy, what they think about you. So I'm going to keep this here. This is what action your partner is going to take towards you. Okay, so this card is purely for an action that your partner is going to take towards you. These are the cards that's going to give us in-depth information of what's blocking the energy, okay, and what is it that they want to tell you. So we have Nine of Swords. The first card itself is Nine of Swords, which talks about sleepless nights. It talks about anxiety. This is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. That's your partner's energy, or because that's the card coming up. Hierophant, okay. Four of Cups, water energy. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and Three of Wands, okay, which is fire energy, which is Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So it does not matter what zodiac sign you belong to or your partner belongs to, but that's the kind of energy. So it definitely looks like the major reason over here from the Hierophant is what I see, that maybe your partner, he or she is looking for something very traditional, or is inclined towards something traditional, like whatever your partner's parents or family members are going to say, that is what is their decision, or that is what they are working on. And maybe that's the reason why they are not able to come in front of you and talk to you. They are going through that situation sorry where it's like they must have given you a commitment, or must have really spoken about how much they love you, but now when they go back home, they realize that they have to really get in touch with their family, and their family wants something really traditional for them, something that they want. So they are contemplating, they do not know what to do, hence having a lot of sleepless nights at this point in time, going through anxiety. And this is definitely a long distance relationship, okay. Watching you from afar, also maybe stalking you on social media, trying to see with who you are right now, have you moved on, have you not moved on, that kind of energy. However, I can see with the Four of Cups, they have help being offered, but they're not looking at the help, they're not looking at solutionizing, they're not looking at what they can do to move further, like what action they can do. They're just looking at the ones that has gone wrong, okay. So that's the energy that they are in. What do they think about your energy? Oh wow, they think you're king of autumn, which is King of Pentacles. So you are at an energy where you are extremely secured, okay. You are in a secured energy. All you're waiting is for this person to make a decision. You do not have financial issues or that kind of issues. You are extremely assertive when it comes to what you know what is right. You are in that energy. So if you know this is right, this is right, this is wrong, this is wrong, that kind of energy. Plus everything is going good in your way except for this person. Because of this person you're stuck, and this person also thinks that you're good, you're secured, you're safe, you don't have to live check to check. In fact, you make more than this person, I believe. And you're a good person. Okay, you're a very secure person, and your partner knows this, that you are absolutely secure. Okay, this is what your partner knows, that you're secured. And what action they're going to take, let's see. Two of Cups. So Two of Cups is a soulmate twin flame energy. That means this person really loves you a lot, but action is zero, right? So right now they are only looking at things that's gone wrong, and they're looking from distance, but action is not happening. So I'm so sorry, pile number one. At least you know what they think, but the action is not happening. Let's see what they want to tell you. Okay. Blank, if you get something blank, that means you can write what you want, right? That's a good sign. That means you can write what you want. Okay, you're not dependent on somebody else to write what that person wants for you. However, it says lover vibes, obviously with the Two of Cups, which is more of a Radha Krishna energy. There is a lover's vibe here. Okay, but not yet united, because the decision is not made, just watching you from afar, not taking a step. It says Beauty and the Beast situation. So maybe you like that movie Beauty and the Beast, or maybe this person thinks you're the beauty and he's the beast, or vice versa. Okay, let's check what initials we are getting for you very quickly. So the initials that we get is a U, number 3. Number 3 could be significant. A, M, Uma could be, I don't know, E, number 1, maybe your partner's 31, you're 31, or 13 could be a significant number, 31 could be a significant number. S is a letter, number 2, Q. Okay, so see, whatever you can make up, these are initials from your partner's first name, last name, your first name, last name. Okay, so pile number 1, I hope you've got some solace in this message. I wish you all the best. And if you need an in-depth reading to see if this person is really going to do what's next, please feel free to log into my website and book a personal reading. Okay, but for now, this is the only message that we have for you. So please do hit comment if it resonates, like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification button for your next reading. Okay, let's go to pile number 2. So pile number 2, if you have checked this ship, this is yours. Ship talks about something that's moving. So it's talking about a moving energy. Ships don't like to be stagnant. They're only stagnant if there's a repair work going on. So let's see what's happening in your relationship with this person. Okay, so this is what your partner thinks is your energy, which we're going to read little later. This is the action that your partner is going to take towards you, and these are your cards. Okay, these cards talk about what's blocking your relationship or your connection and what they wish to tell you. So we'll try to. Okay, 4 of Coins, which is Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus energy. That means I think they're grabbing their pentacles. They're working very hard on the money. So I think that right now financial issue could be the reason why this connection is being blocked. Okay, let's check. The Hermit mode, Virgo energy. So it's more about pausing, breathing, realizing what to do next. Okay, taking this time out, maybe meditating, maybe trying to like figure out the entire situation, but definitely it's a stagnant energy right now. There is no movement so far. Okay, we have King of Pentacles, which is again an earth energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. It's a very slow moving energy. Okay, very slow moving. So thinking about making the move, but it's like just going to start situation, not yet there. Okay, oh my god, star, wish upon a star. So you are this person's soulmate or twin flame. This is what this person thinks. This person is absolutely in love with you. This is a very spiritual connection. Okay, as per this person. 10, 15, now number 17 could be significant. You have number 4, that could be significant. Number 9 could be significant. So overall right now with this tarot energy, we see that this person is really working hard on, you know, earning the bucks right now, and hence your energy or your connection is like you know, very low communication and almost block communications, totally working on the money. But this person thinks you are everything. Okay, so let's see what else does this person think. Okay, oh, you're the magician. According to this person, you are something who can make miracles and magic happen. Okay, this person is absolutely in love with you, and your energy at this point in time depicts somebody who likes challenges, new beginnings, who has all the tools and equipments to make things right. So this person thinks you are the person who can make things right. Okay, but let's see what's the action this person's going to take towards you. Oh my god, the Sun card, beautiful energy. So this person is just not sitting on one horsepower but many horsepowers, and congratulations, pile number 2, this person is definitely coming. Either some sort of communication will come your way, or maybe text messages, call, or this person is coming, definitely coming. Okay, the Sun card. So after this entire thinking, maybe this person just needs time out to think, process, you know, and then make a move, and this person is definitely going to make a move. Okay, congratulations on that, pile number 2. This is a good reading for you. Any other message? Let's see what else this person is saying. Lust. Oh my god, this person has some sort of lust, thinks about you in a very physical manner as well. That's good. So maybe when this person's going to come to meet you, you're going to get some good. And I got you. Okay, so this person says that I got you, baby, kind of situation. Let's see what are the initials that we have for you. Could be your name, this person's name, first letter, second letter, could be anything. Okay, we have an S, your initial, this person's initial, L, U, number 1, I, N, this is O, number 8. So maybe you'll meet on the 18th, or some sort of 18 number is significant. There's another 1, 1, 1. 8 is an infinity sign, infinity times infinity. That's how much abundant this connection could be. G, O, we have 2 O's, E, and D. Okay, so when you guys meet, you're going to get some good loving. This is what it says, right? So these are your letters, this person's letters. Take it the way it resonates. I hope you've got some perspective why your connection is blocked. If you need a personal reading, please feel free to connect with me on luminousguide.com. Send me an email, comment here, share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Till we meet next. Goodbye. Have a good one. Goodbye.